It's no secret the ag industry is very data driven, but sometimes producers need a little help in managing that data. And that is where Redstone Content Solutions comes into play. And Jim Bratvett joins us now to share more about what it is you guys bring for producers. What does that look like?
Hey, Alex, thanks so much for having us on. Again, Jim Bratvett with Redstone Content Solutions. And as you mentioned, the ag industry is very data driven. There's a number of tools out there to help farmers with their efficiently producing crop. And so Redstone Content Solutions, just a little bit of a background. We're experts in data management, and what that entails is we basically take data and make it usable for the average user. And we specialize in a number of different industries. Ag is one of them, energy, manufacturing, government. And so we've got experience across a number of different industries. In addition to data and database management, we're integration specialists. And so kind of what that means is we can take systems and create basically a bridge to allow them to share data amongst each other. That helps improve workflows. It reduces kind of that manual interaction that users have, and just overall improves productivity in general.
Yeah, Jim, you were explaining a cool partnership that you guys have too with Iowa State University. Talk more about that and how it's really playing a role in helping these producers.
Yeah, absolutely. So Iowa State University, they have this initiative. It's called the Iowa Nitrogen Initiative. And the main goal of it is to help determine optimal nitrogen application rates for corn. So this team has data that they've collected over a number of years. They had kind of a vision of how to make use of this data, how to present it to the general audience and to the farming community. But they were looking for a technology partner to basically pull that all together into a usable format. And so fortunately, Iowa State University and this Iowa Nitrogen Initiative team selected Redstone Content Solutions as the developer of this. And so this application, again, it takes into consideration a number of different data points, such as planting dates, location, precipitation rates, residual soil nitrogen as well. And so it takes all of this data and it pulls it together into a centralized source that makes it easy for the farm community and others to interact with and make use of this data. Users will be able to interact with the data through graphs, also adjust based on anticipated factors like pricing, for example. We know that can fluctuate. So that's another data point. But at the end of the day, the main goal is how can ISU and the Iowa Nitrogen Initiative team provide a tool that allows the farming community to better assess what the optimal nitrogen application rates are. And so we're just very excited. We did in-person user testing with the farm community. We obviously met with the ISU INI team a number of times, and what's been really fun is seeing kind of the history of their vision. Their vision started out sometimes in drawings, in sketches, and being in person with them on campus and discussing, the true meaning behind this tool. It's just been really rewarding, for our team personally. So the application itself, it's called NFACT. So that's NFACT. And that stands for Nitrogen Fertilizer Application Consultation Tool. And we're excited to be at the Ag Expo in the Technology Hub along with ISU to help formally unveil this tool.
Excellent. Well, Jim, as we round out our conversation, I'm curious, who's a good fit for really the service that you all are providing?
So I would say we range across a number of different industries, and so every single organization out there has manual processes in place that they know should be improved, but they don't know what to do about it. They have maybe a team of people who are manually entering in data and manually taking data from one system to another, or using spreadsheets. We know spreadsheets are just there's typically thousands and thousands of them across organizations, especially the larger ones. So those types of situations, these companies that have been using those, I would just say, outdated processes, manual processes for such a long period of time, just call us, reach out to us, redstonecontentsolutions.com. We provide free consultation. We listen to the situations that you're involved with, kind of the data management problems, and we can provide some recommendations. So, in addition to that, we are website and web designers as well, and so we've designed and developed websites for a number of large organizations. And so, actually, in Des Moines, one of them headquartered there is Berkshire Hathaway Energy. And so, if you visit brkenergy.com, that's one of our own sites that we designed and developed, that we're very proud of. And so, yes, data management, integration services, web design and development. We can help with all of those different situations.
So many services that Redstone Content Solutions is providing, and they provide them for farmers too. And you can learn more at the Innovation Hub happening at the Iowa Ag Expo. Jim, thanks so much for joining us. We appreciate your time.
Thank you so much, Alex.